Hey everybody, today I'm testing out this flying ball sold by Acechum on Amazon, and it's a drone but not really a drone because you don't use a controller, you control it with your hands. But this is the box that it comes in. It's kind of like a nice retail box, and here is the flying ball. Looks more like a UFO, and it comes with the USB charging cable and instructions. That's it. It's pretty simple. It says ages 3 and up, and I can understand because this thing will not hurt anybody if it crashes into them. It's flexible and will not hurt anything. But anyway, when you charge it up, here is the USB. There will be a red light inside the USB that glows when you plug it into the USB port onto the UFO or ball, and it'll turn off the red light, and then you know it's charged. It takes about 30 minutes, but let me show you more details on this. Here is a close-up of the UFO slash ball. The way this works is there's 4 propellers encased in this cage, and they will not get in your hair. There's no way they can. And you can see here on the outer edge there's a sensor on 4 sides that detects where your hand is, and when you go near it, it'll push the UFO that way, or whichever way you're moving around it. But anyway, on the bottom here, we have, right here is the USB slot where you plug it in to charge, and on the opposite side of the USB is the on and off switch. And I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to zoom out and show you how this works. Okay, I have it turned on right now, and if you can see that green LED in there, not sure if you can see that on camera, that means it's ready to go, and all you have to do is give it a little lift off. Hopefully this won't go out of control on me in here. It's a small space, otherwise I'm going to go outside. So let's see how this goes. Whoop! Try it again here. That's another thing. It doesn't sense black, but if you hit a white wall, it'll go toward the white wall. But black, it will just kind of stick to you. Whoa, there we go. And it comes down if you don't touch it. And eventually land. Or crash. Anyway, let's go outside with it. Okay, I recruited my son to help me demonstrate this, and it's ready to go, and he's just gonna give it a toss up. It's kind of windy, and that's how you control it with your hand. But if you're indoors, it'll be more under control without the wind. But as you can see, he has control over it. And you turn it upside down to turn it off. And that's all. Well, as you saw, it went pretty good outside. And this does have another speed mode, which you control with a switch on the bottom where you turn it on and off. You hold it in and tap it twice, and it'll put it in fast mode, but I'm using it in slow mode. But anyway, I'd recommend this for maybe kids 5 and up, not 3 and up, but a 3-year-old can play with this too. And it's very simple, works good, and it's amusing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all. Take care, everybody.